Jai Hind dosto. So today we are off to Guwahati in the evening for a walk, and we've started from Shillong. So this is the Shillong city, the center of Shillong city, and we are going by my new Ivory Tusker, which is the new Kushaq 1.5 TSI. It's a fun to drive car, and with me are my two partners in crime. Anyways, we'll let you know about them in a while. But enjoy the beauty of the Shillong roads. You see, it's a hill station, the capital of Meghalaya. So, we're going past the what we call is the office, para or whatever you say. Mostly the government offices. On the right hand side is the Secretariat building. It's a very old building. I hope you can have a glimpse. So a little bit of Shillong for you. It's capital city of Meghalaya. On the right hand side, this is the DC office. So we have just passed this. Then we are taking a right turn, and as we take the right turn, on the left hand side you can see some walls. This is the boundary wall of the famous Wards Lake in Shillong. It won't be possible for you to have a glimpse of it. On the right hand side is the Accountant General's office, and straight, if you can see the straight, there is a gate, beautiful decorated gate. We'll go towards the left hand side, the straight gate, that is the governor's house, flanked by beautiful pines. So on the right hand side, the boundary wall of the governor's house, and on the left hand side, the Wards Lake, greenery all around. This is the beautiful city of Shillong. You don't get an auto, you hardly get an auto rickshaw, and there's no concept of any pedal rickshaws, or hardly any cycles, bicycles for that matter, because it is a hilly region. So here you can see the Pinewood Hotel on the right. This is a very iconic hotel of Shillong, built by the British, more than 100 years old. We are here in the Golf Link area of Shillong, and the scenery speaks for itself. So here we are in the Mauro Road. This is the road which will take you, it's a bypass basically to take you to the main road to Guwahati. That means the GS Road, Guwahati Shillong Road. It is popularly known as Guwahati Shillong Road. This bypass connects the city with the Guwahati Shillong Road, and it's a very beautiful. It's recently made. Pine trees all along, and this the road is winding roads. The long and winding road. In front is a Nexon. I owned a Nexon. Even now I own a Nexon. The same color, the same model. I really feel bad because the Nexon was and is really a good car. I had a diesel model, the same color, the same model which is in front of me. Uh, I'm really, little pain to, that I have to part with the Nexon. But life has to go on. So this is a hilly road, you can't really overtake every car. We have to be watchful. And like they say, be gentle on my curbs. So to drive in a hilly road, you have to follow few certain rules, basic rules. Otherwise, you are gone. You're gone. So those, my viewers who drive in the plains, please watch this carefully. How do one should drive in a hilly road? You don't overtake on a curb. Now he has given me pass, so I can take zoom. So you can see blue skies, clear blue skies, no pollution or very less pollution compared to the big cities in the mainland India.
मॉडल होने से चलेगा You want to say something? Some references, but this is just approaches.
This
is for
we
you.
are waiting for the, the traffic jam is there because there is one dam which is holding the water of the reservoir. This is a Umiam reservoir. It has got a hydroelectric, hydroelectric reservoir where the power is produced. So the dam was built by the British. It is about more than 100 years old. So that particular barrage where the water is coming from, that is under repair. So there is a little bit of traffic jam. So you have to bear with the process. That's all. I don't mind waiting as long as I'm having a good company, and I'm having good company. Thank you. riding on the Kushak is seriously fun, very comfortable. The driving dynamics are fantastic. The cornering has been brilliant. Suspension and riding comfort and all other parameters are so good. I really feel that I have made the right choice. Definitely a better driving dynamics than Nexon. Surely it is much more pricier. It's a German technology. It's a great car. So, enjoying the drive. Nice so far. This is Umsting bypass. It's a beautiful road out here. It's a 4-lane road. We are here at the midpoint, Bharati Shillong. The place is well known. It's called Nongpo, and here the joint is, like Jiva Veg restaurant, and it's very popular restaurant, frequented by the tourists and those who frequent the Shillong Guwahati routes. Ready? Kenaka sir?
Hal, sir.
Hal, okay. So we have already finished our cup of tea. Here are my companions, my partners in crimes. So we've got some good company. So this is the facility I want to show you a bit. So this is the entrance basically. Here is the parking place. This is a vegetarian restaurant, completely vegetarian restaurant. It's a chain of restaurants and hotels. They have got hotels and restaurants in Shillong as well as in Cherrapunji. And this has been very well made and well maintained. So the name of the restaurant is Jiva Veg. It's a non-sponsored video, so no way I'm connected with the restaurant owner or the chain. So